Hi! Today we are moving your templates to projects in Adobe Express. Okay, so I'm doing this on my Samsung on the mobile app, and you want to get started inside your stuff. So we're going to go there first. And when this opens up, you're going to see your custom templates right there. What we need to do is move this template to a project. You simply open it up, scroll down to move to your projects, pick the project. If there's a folder inside, you can choose that, and then you move it. Simple as that. So this process got started for me because I got that notice you see at the top that I am almost at capacity in my Creative Cloud. So I had to start going through all the things I had saved, and it was really a good process to find the things I no longer needed or the things that were really important, and to get organized so I could go through here and find the random things that were in the wrong folders, saved to the wrong projects, and really clean this up. So let's go through. Let's find one. This one. Now, this is perfect. This is something that I don't need anymore, so I can just go ahead and let that go for now. And let's see. I'm gonna look around. Perfect. This one belongs to Twin City. So we're gonna switch this over to the Twin City project. It didn't need to be in my folder. I really enjoy using projects now. It really has made things so much easier, and I'm getting all of these things that are just kind of randomly floating around in my stuff folder into the projects and where they belong, deleting the things that I no longer need. And it's really a good process to get organized right now. So that was all inside mine, see? And they didn't need those inside my project folder. Let's go back out and check our brands. So let's go down and see. I'm pretty sure I moved all of them. Let's double check. Go through there. Just checking each one of these to make sure. Okay, we're good there. Now, these are all of the things that I have just loose in my main Your Stuff. And I just recently started doing my podcast. So this is a perfect opportunity to create a podcast folder and get this moved over to the podcast section. So we're going to create that new project. And now what's great is I can go right from here and add any of the things that were left floating around. So I'm going to go in here and I can select multiples. All of these are podcasts. See, I would have come back and wouldn't have known where these were. Great. Oh my God, see? All of them moved at once into the right project. I'm really excited about that. You guys, don't fear this process. You got to dive in there, roll up your sleeves. It's really easy to do. You can do it while you're sitting in the doctor's office, waiting for your coffee, or like me, while I'm waiting for a backup to restore. So this is really good. Get in there and clean it up and let me know. Does this help with the process?